City dreams, the lights grow dim, the stars above begin to swim. But in my heart I softly cry for love that whispered one goodbye. Tears in the rain, they softly fall, echoes of love I still recall. Each little drop, a tender plea, lost in the night, just you and me. I walk alone where we once met, the sweetest times I can't forget. Your gentle laugh, your velvet face still lingers here in this embrace. Maybe one day the skies will clear and bring your gentle wind.